back to Renpet Bath Beauty's kitchen. We are making the other monster mash, which is going to be sort of like a showpiece rather than, I mean, I get you could still use it. I mean, it's soap, but it's going to be more of like a, you know, for people who really love Halloween and want to, you know, have something in their bathroom that's Halloweeny. So, okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I have some, what do you need, baby? Okay, thank you. My grandkids are spending the night tonight because tomorrow they have their first day of school and they go to school here. Anyway, I don't even remember what I was going to say now. Oh, I have to pour my last 6 Jack Skellington faces, and then I'm going to pour my ghosties, and then the rest of it is going to be all black, and I'm going to put it in the round mold. So let me get my yogurt and my heavy cream mixed up, and then we'll add our lye. And let's hope this is enough soap, you guys. It should be. And it is still scented in the Monster Mash, which is the Tricks or Treats from Nature's Garden. I don't have a spatula to do my lye with. Dang it. Okay. Oh, I'm sure I'll have plenty. Because I'm only making 6 of them. Amanda wanted me to make 12. I do need to get another spatula. Sorry. Hold on, let me alcohol it. Because Lord knows what it's going to smell like. I've made 10 loaves of soap today, y'all. But only one of them did I need to do on camera with you guys because I have just made them. Like, just made them. I'm not even sure you've seen the videos yet for the ones that I did. Well, you have seen it. I mean, you've definitely seen Every Breath You Take because I just did that. But I had to, you know, after the Honey Festival, I had to make 2 more loaves of that to replace what we sold. Okay, so I am going to weigh out my white because I don't need, the ghosts are only an ounce. And I think the Jack Skellington faces total for the 6 ounces, or for the 6 faces are only 2 ounces. So, but I'm going to pour an extra ounce just in case. And I can always put it in the ghost mold. So I'm going to pour 9 ounces. Okay, or 935. That works too. Let me get this out of the way. And I am not scenting this part. It doesn't need to be scented. That's not a big deal. When I make the other parts of this, I will scent it. So there's still going to be scent on the top of the soap. Okay, here we go. Alright, there's our white. So exciting. So exciting. I'm really excited about this one. You know, and Amanda's probably right. I probably should make 12 of them, but I just want to see how they're going to sell. Because, you know, who knows? You know, with any given year, actually, who knows? So, alright, let me bring my molds in here. Okay, so these are my smaller molds. Should be able to see them all. So this is my Jack Skellington. And then I have my little ghosties. They're so cute. They are so cute. My daughter ordered these. I was going to put them on shot glasses, but they wouldn't have looked right. Would have looked kind of funky. You know what? I got to move these out of the way so I can do my Jacks. Yeah. It's been a long day for me, you guys. A long, long day. As I had the kids all day, my daughter is closing, and her whole family is spending the night tonight. The kids have a half a day on the first day, which is, you know, why? And then they're, well, you know, they have a half a day tomorrow, and then they have a full day the next day, and then they're off for 4 days because of Labor Day, and then go back to school. I'm like, what's the point in that? So I don't need all 3 of these molds. I don't know why I pulled them all out, because I just need 6 ghosts, and whatever's left, hopefully there's enough. Jeez, maybe those Jack Skellingtons were, I mean, if all else fails, I will mix up some more soap from there, some more TD, no big deal. Woo! Oh, I think I have plenty. I have plenty. Actually, I think it was just the right amount. Wow. Look at me go, y'all. Look at me go. Let's scrape the crap out of this. I may not make you watch me scrape the crap out of this. Well, okay, so this ghost is a little shorter than the others, but that's okay. That's almost there. Alright, so let me tap these and get these bad boys out of here. Oh, let me spray them. And then we'll work on the next part of it, which is pretty quick. Oh, these little molds are funky. Funky. Okay. Alright, so this is going to be our base for our soap. I'm going to pour some soap in here. This is my activated charcoal. I'm going to stir it up, and then I'm going to pour it back in the larger bucket, and I'm going to stir the fragrance, or stick blend the fragrance in there. Because the fragrance definitely slows down trace, which is a good thing, and I may need more activated charcoal. I think I'm going to need more activated charcoal, because I want this to be pitch black, you know, like the other Monster Mash. You know, I do this with Smells Like Teen Spirit too, where I'll mix my activated charcoal separately and then just pour it back into the larger bucket. We'll see what it looks like. I know I'm hey! Quit scratching on that wall! My cat. He's been crazy today. When my granddaughter Malia was taking a nap earlier, he was running around the house like an idiot. It was terrible. It's like, what are you doing? But he had been underneath my bed, so maybe he was just mad. I don't know. That cat is something else. Okay, so let me stick blend the fragrance in here, and then we'll pour it in our mold. Here's our fragrance. Yeah, that's going to be pretty strong. That's an ounce and 1.1 ounces in less than 32 ounces of oils. Let me wipe this white off my stick blender so we don't make anything gray. Come on, Simon. We don't want anything gray, bro. Okay. Okay. There we go. I'm so happy that this is my last soap today. And then I can go upstairs and have my husband make me popcorn like early. Because it's only, I mean, it's not even 9 o'clock yet. So usually I don't get done soaping until after 10 o'clock. Well, and then sometimes, well, you know, I'm soaping at 4 o'clock in the morning. It just depends. Oh. Alrighty, let's get the mold over here. I'm probably going to have to angle you guys up. Okay, so I use my 2 1/4, I'm using my 2 1/4 PVC pipe. You guys have seen this many times with my shaving soap. I line it with one of those like plastic cutting boards that you can get at the dollar store. It's fabulous to do it like that, because then you don't got to worry about anything. Let me angle you guys up so you can see the pour. Anyway, Are we there yet? Okay. So, ooh. Oh yeah, I'll definitely get 6 bars out of that. I only need 6, so. And this is like one of my son-in-law's favorite fall fragrances. So he'll be happy if I have leftovers of this. Very, very happy. Yeah, he bought 2 bars for me last year. I'm like, Chris. He loved it. I'll leave the fragrance notes below. I highly recommend the fragrance. It's really good. I'm going to have to bang this on the floor, okay? Oh, look at me making a mess. Boy, what is with me? I'm making a mess tonight. I made monster mash just a few minutes ago, and I made a big, huge mess with the, well, this is monster mash, but I made the other monster mash just a few minutes ago, and I just made a big mess with that one too. I'm just making a big mess today. Get that down there. Okay. I gotta wipe the soap off my floor. I got soap on my floor. Definitely don't want to step in that. Okay, so I am going to alcohol the top of this, and we'll unmold it, and I'll probably, you know what, with the round molds, I like to leave it in there for about 48 hours with my Hopper recipe. Shaving soap recipe only takes about, you know, I can unmold it in 12 to 14, you know, 16 or whatever, but this one I'm going to leave a few days. So I will see you then. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I know that my cutter's dirty, but this is the same scent as Monster Mash, and I'm cutting it right after. These are going to be the bases for my show soap, I guess is what you'd call it. It would be more of a showpiece in your bathroom than it would be for use. I am cutting them at 1 1/4 inches, and of course they're all black, so I don't need to show you the whole thing because we'll be decorating these together in the next segment. On our next episode of Halloween soaps, we'll be decorating them. This is what I made when I made the ghosts for. I only need 6 bars. So anything that's left over I'm going to give to my son-in-law. This is his favorite Halloween fragrance. So just need 2 more. 1. I guess I don't need to even really wipe that off. 2. Okay, so there's my 6. And I'm going to cut this in half, just in half. There we go. Alright guys, I will see you in just a few seconds for the decorating of this. Guys, we're going to decorate these other, these puck monster mashes. I'm only going to do 1 or 2 on camera. My piping has set up quite a bit because I did the heat transfer method. Hopefully it's not too set up. So what I'm going to do, I'm using the neon green because I used the neon green in, oh, losing my bag. Yep, I knew that was going to happen. I'm using the, because I used the neon green in the, yep, I'm losing my bag, you guys. Oh, hold on. Let's see if this will work. Okay, so I have a gravestone. Boy, this grass tip is not wanting to work. Dang it. I know how I'm going to do this. Let me put my ghosties on. Put my ghosties on. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my grass individually with a toothpick. I know that sounds a little weird, but I mean, at least that looks like grass. And then I actually have a smaller grass tip as well. So it doesn't have to be perfect. Dang it. I went upstairs and I got distracted, believe it or not, by Toy Story 3. Isn't that terrible? I'm a grown woman. And I got distracted by Toy Story 3. So, oh, I like that with the grass in the front. I'll have to show that one to you. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to. And actually, I can put this batter in the microwave and it will thin out for me, which is what I think I'm going to do. But I love the neon against the black. Alright, so where did my grass tip go? Oh, there it is. Found it. Alright, I am going to put this in the microwave and get it a little bit runny. Hold on. Okay. I'm still losing my grass tip. Tape. I don't know what it is with this grass tip and wanting to escape. Escape! Well, let's tape it on and see if that helps, because this batter is looser now. So, there we go. See? I have to alcohol this. Boy, I'm having trouble, y'all. Having trouble. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not talking. I'm trying to get this grass on here without looking like spaghetti. Put a little bit of grass behind each grave. Keep them up there. Like I said, without looking like spaghetti. There we go. Wow, see, that's what you get when you walk away from them. So we have our little gravestone and our ghost. Turn it all the way around. See? Ta-da! This is Monster Mash number 2. So, alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.